Sometimes, when you're uploading a profile photo on Facebook, you might want to take a new photo with your camera and set it as your profile photo. In this video, we'll show you how to take a new photo from your camera and upload it directly as your Facebook profile photo. To start, open the Facebook application. After opening the Facebook application, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Click on these 3 lines. Once you do, you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name. When you click it, you'll see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, you'll see an option to choose profile picture. Click on this option. After clicking, you'll notice a camera button. Click on this camera button. When you do, it'll take you to your camera. If you want to switch cameras, click here, and it'll change to the back camera. If you want to switch back, click here again, and it'll change to the selfie camera. If you want to add effects, you'll see plenty of options. You can pick any effect you like. After that, if you want to use the flash, just click here. Anyway, to take the photo, click this button, and when you do, the photo will be taken. After that, to add stickers, click this button, and you can choose any sticker you want. If you want to add GIFs, questions, or anything else, you can do that too. If you want to add text, click here, and you can type whatever text you want. If you want to tag someone, just type their name, and you can tag them. For example, I'm tagging this person. After that, click the Done button. If you want to draw something, click this button, and you can draw anything here. You can change the color if you want, or if you need to erase something, there's an option for that too. Anyway, after that, click the Done button. Once you do, you'll see another Done button here. Click it again. When you click that, you'll see the photo. If you want to make this a temporary profile photo, click Make Temporary. You'll then see 2 options: 1 hour or 1 day. If you want to set this profile photo for just 1 hour, select 1 hour. Or, if you want it for 1 day, choose 1 day. After that time, it'll be deleted, and your old profile photo will reappear. If you want to add a frame, click Add Frames, and you can choose any frame you like from there. For example, I'm adding this frame. Here, you can see a Say Something section where you can type whatever you want. If you want to share this post in the news feed, you can check that box. If you don't want to, you can uncheck it. Anyway, after that, click the Save button. When you click that, the profile photo will be saved. Now, you can see the profile photo here. So, that's how you can easily take a photo with your camera and upload it as your profile photo on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.